Hi everyone, today we are going to review the Sonnet watercolor by Nevskaya Palitra. The presentation of this watercolor is very simple and Spartan. On the back of this box we have information about the paint and the duration of the pigment. When you open the package you find an acetate with information about the name and number of the color, pigments and light fastness. The funny thing is that the pans are housed in a very flexible plastic tray, which to me is quite exotic, but it works. The pans are easily removed from the plastic tray. The pans have the following information: color number and company logo. The pans are huge, meaning they are whole pans and not half pans. When compared to half pans, it is scary good. It is much bigger and comes with much more paint. I loved it. I thought it was respectful of the consumer. Let's test the colors. I will write on the screen the colors that came in this set of 24 colors. The pigment is easily removed from the pan and drags smoothly on the paper. Look at how wonderfully transparent it is. The colors are strong and vibrant, they are not opaque. I like the set of colors. The interesting thing is that they come in sepia. During the test, I added water to the brush to dilute and drag the pigment, and the paint did not show any stains. The pigmentation is uniform after drying. The texture of the watercolor once finished is smooth to the touch. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.